Right, we'll be starting in 7.3. all right, so same thing again, solve the following question and verify. That means what? First find x and then verify again, right? Left hand side equals right hand side. Clear? But if you notice here, you will see the unknown variable x is there on both the side, left hand side and right hand side. Previous exercise in 7.2, it was only there on the left hand side. Okay, but remember, same thing again. Okay, so let's mark this as equation 1. Now because you can see that there are two like terms here, I have to keep them together, right? So this is plus 10x. If it goes to the other side, sign will change, right? So it has changed to now minus. Same thing again here, this is minus 8. If it goes to the other side, sign will change, minus will change to plus, right? So you can see here plus 8. all right, if you look here now, 16x minus 10x, plus is greater, right? So 16x minus 10x, I'll get 6x. If you look at your right hand side, minus 12 plus 8, minus is greater, right? So minus 12 plus 8, I'll get minus 4. So remember, first thing I'm trying to find is x, right? So this 6 is not needed, it will go down to the denominator because of cross multiplication. All right, then 2 2s are, and then 2 3s are, and that's how we'll get the value of x is how much? Minus 2 by 3. So now let's verify, and here in this question we have to verify both of them. Okay, both the left hand side and the right hand side, they have to give us the same answer. Clear? So let's start with the left hand side first. So 16x minus 8, what is the value of x that we got? Minus 2 by 3. So remember, plus is here, right? So plus into minus, I'll get minus 16 2s are 32, and remember 1 is down here. Okay, so 1 3s are 3. Leave that minus 8 for now, and remember that below here 1 is there, right? So if I try to find the LCM of 1 and 3, then 1 1s are, and then 3 1. That means what? My LCM will be 3, right? Now let's try the first numerator, minus 32. Then 3, how many times are 3? 3 1s are. Next numerator is how much? Minus 8. So I've written, then like I said, 1 is here, right? 1, how many times are 3? 1 3s are 3. Now let's multiply. Minus 32 into 1, I'll get minus 32. Minus 8 into 3, I'll get minus 24. Bottom minus, I can add them, but my sign will be minus. So minus 32 minus 24 minus 56. Or left hand side is minus 56 by 3. Let's take the right hand side also. So you can see x is there, right? So I'll put the value minus 2 by 3. Plus is here, plus into minus minus, then 2s are 20. Remember, 1 is here, so 1 3s are 3. Okay, once again 12, right? So 1 is here again. If I try to find the LCM of 1 and 3 again, it will simply be 3, right? Let's write down the first numerator, minus 23. How many times the 3? 3 1s are 3. Second numerator is how much? Minus 12. So I've written here 1 is below here, right? 1, how many times the 3? 1 3s are 3. Let's multiply. Minus 20 into 1, minus 20. Minus 12 into 3, minus 36. Once again, they're both minus. I have to add them, but the sign will be minus, right? So I'm getting what? Minus 20 minus 36. I'm getting minus 56. Or our right hand side is minus 56 by 3. You can see that they're equal, right? Left hand side equals right hand side. So it is verified. Alright, B. So once again, 4x minus 2 equals 5x by 2 minus 3. So let us keep the like terms together again. Okay, so this is plus, right? So sign will change when it goes to the other side. So now you can see minus 5x by 2. This is minus. If it goes to the other side, it will become plus. Clear? So remember that here 1 is again. So let's find the LCM. 1 and 2, the LCM will simply be 2 again, right? So here 1 and 2. If I try to find the LCM, then 2 1 time. Clear? So my LCM is 2. Let's write on the first numerator, minus 4. So I've written, then 1, how many times are 2? 1 2s are 2. My next numerator is minus 5x. I've written, right? Then 2, how many times are 2? 2 1s are 2. Alright, now you can see here minus 3 plus 1, you can see minus is greater, so I'll be left here with minus 1. Alright, then 4x into 2, 4 2s are, I'll get 8x. Then minus 5x into 1, I'll get minus 5x. Now this 2 is in the denominator, I'll do cross multiplication, it will go up here, it will change to multiplication now, okay, into 2. Then 8x minus 5x, plus is greater, right? So 3x. So minus 1 into 2 is pretty simple, minus 2. Remember, I'm trying to find this x, so this 3 again, we'll do cross multiplication, it will go down, okay? That's how we'll get the value of x to be equal to minus 2 by 3. Now let's verify both the left hand side and the right hand side. Left hand side is what? 4x minus 2. What is the value of x? Minus 2 by 3, right? So remember, plus is here again. Plus into minus, I'll get minus. 4 2s are 8. Once again, 1 is down here, right? So 1 3s are 3. Minus will leave it for now. Also remember, 1 is here. If I try to find the LCM of 3 and 1, my LCM will be 3, right? So now let's write down the first numerator, minus 8. Then 3, how many times are 3? 3 1s are 3. Next is minus 2. So I've written here, minus 2, right? Remember, below 2, what is there? 1 is there. So 1, how many times are 3? 1 3s are 3. Let's multiply now. Minus 8 into 1, minus 8. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6 I'll get. Okay, once again they are both minus, which means I can add them, but the sign will be minus. So minus 8 minus 6, I'll get minus 14. Left hand side is minus 14 by 3. Let us do the right hand side again. 5x by 2 minus 3, right? So the value of x is what? Minus 2 by 3. Remember, multiplication is here, so I'm just expanding here. Okay, I could have multiplied like this, plus into minus, minus 5 to the 10, 2 3 is 6, but I'm not doing that because we can divide here. All right, 2 1s are 2 minus 1. Clear? That is the reason why I did not multiply direct. Right, now let's multiply 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 1 is, now this is already 1, right? 1 3 is 3. Clear? So once again, remember, LCM below 3 1 is here 1. If I try to find the LCM of 1 and 3, it will obviously be just 3 again, right? So what is my first numerator? Minus 5. I've written 3. How many times are 3? 3 1 is 3. My second numerator is again minus 3. I've written. Then below this 3 1 is here, right? 1, how many times are 3? 1 3 is 3. Let us multiply. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5, minus 3 into 3, minus 9. Once again, they are both minus. I can add them, but the sign will be minus. So minus 5 minus 9, I'll get minus 14, which if you look at your left hand side, they are same, right? They're equal, so it is verified. All right, let's do one more. 5x by 3 minus 2 equals 4 by 3 plus 8x by 3, right? So once again, this is equation 1. Keep the like terms together. This is plus 8x by 3. So if it goes to the other side, sign will always change. So now you can see minus 8x by 3. Same thing, this is minus 2. If I take it to the other side, it will become plus 2. Clear? So when you left hand side, if you look at the denominators, they are same, right? Which is my LCM will be same. And because the denominators are same, just write down the numerators straight away. Clear? So I've written here, but here remember 1 is down here. So if I try to find the LCM of 3 and 1, again it is simply 3, right? So what is my first numerator? 4. Then 3, how many times the 3? 3 1 time, right? My next numerator is plus 2, so I've written plus 2. This is 1 here, right? 1, how many times the 3? 1 3. Clear? So if you look at your left hand side again, 5x minus 8x, you can see the minus is greater, right? So 5x minus 8x, I'll get minus 3x. All right, 4 1s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 4 plus 6 will give me 10, right? Now if you look here, I can divide 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So remember, minus is 0, okay? Minus x. This side I've added this 4 plus 6, I'm getting 10 by 3. Now remember, I need a value of x, not minus x. Clear? So this minus is not needed. I can just directly send it to the other side, and therefore we'll get x to be equal to minus 10 by 3. Now let us prove for left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side is what? 5x by 3 minus 2. What is the value of x that we got? Minus 10 by 3, right? So remember, plus is here, plus into minus, minus 5 10s are 50, and then below here 3 and 3, right? So 3 3s are 9. Okay, once again here 1 is there. So if I try to find the LCM of 1 and 9, pretty simple, it will simply be just 9 itself, right? 1 9s are 9. So write on the first numerator minus 50. I've written 9. How many times are 9? 9 1s are 9. Next numerator is how much? Minus 2. So I've written here minus 2, right? Then 1, how many times are 9? 1 9s are 9. Then minus 50 into 1, minus 50, minus 2 into 9, minus 18. Once again, they are both minus, which means I have to add them, but the sign will be minus. So minus 50 minus 18, I'll get minus 68. Left hand side is how much? Minus 68 by 9. Now let us do the same thing for the right hand side. Let's put the value of x, how much? Minus 10 by 3, right? Then remember, this is plus, okay? So plus into minus, minus 8 10s are 80, then 3 3s are 9. So now let's try to find the LCM of 3 and 9, right? So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1 time, 1 time. So LCM is how much? 9, right? So first numerator is how much? 4. So I've written 4. 3, how many times are 9? 3 3s are 9. Our second numerator is minus 80, right? 9, how many times are 9? 9 1 time. Then 4 3s are 12. Minus 18 to 1, minus 80, right? 12 minus 80, you can see that minus is greater, which means my answer will be in minus, right? 12 minus 80 is 68. So our right hand side is minus 68 by 9. Once again, you can see left hand side equals right hand side. So it is verified.